Hello once again. You need these 3 sound effects to make your videos more engaging. First one is the riser. The riser builds suspense and helps the audience listen to you and wait for that moment where you hit the high point or whatever you're about to say. The second one is a swoosh. The swoosh can be used for a transition or when you're about to move in or out of the footage. The third one is the camera shutter. Camera shutter helps you to cut in between clips and makes it look more seamless and more believable. Follow for more and save this content for later.